If you've got sensitive skin, you already know the nightmare. One wrong serum, one trendy cream, or even just a change in weather can leave your face burning, red, and impossible to ignore. It feels like you're walking around with a spotlight on every flare-up. But here's the truth. Sensitive skin doesn't have to control you. Today, I'm breaking down 5 powerful routines designed specifically for sensitive skin. And these aren't the recycled tips you've seen 100 times. These are real-life solutions for real-life skin struggles. Think of this video as your sensitive skin survival kit. Each routine is built for a different situation. By the end, you'll know exactly which routine matches your life right now and how to finally stop battling your skin and start working with it. The morning after irritation routine. We've all had those mornings. You try a new product at night, and by sunrise, your face feels like it's on fire. That's where this routine comes in. Start by rinsing your skin with plain water. No harsh cleansers. Then, spritz a thermal water or a calming essence to take down the redness. Next, apply a barrier cream loaded with ceramides to strengthen your skin's defense. Finally, finish with a mineral SPF to protect without irritation. This is the skincare version of calling in sick. The weather whiplash routine. Sensitive skin hates extremes. One day it's dry and freezing, the next it's hot and humid, and your skin throws a tantrum. To handle this, start with a gentle hydrating cleanser that won't strip your barrier. Then layer on a lightweight glycerin serum to balance moisture. On cheeks and nose, tap a thin layer of ointment to protect against windburn or dryness. Depending on the climate, add SPF during the day, or even use a scarf as a physical barrier. Think of this as giving your face a coat when the weather can't make up its mind. The stress skin reset routine. Stress doesn't just live in your mind, it shows up on your skin. Breakouts, dullness, and random flare-ups often arrive when life gets overwhelming. Start by oil cleansing to remove pollution, sweat, and buildup. Then apply a calming serum with niacinamide or green tea to reduce inflammation. Follow with a cooling gel mask for 5 minutes to instantly soothe irritation. End with a barrier repair cream to lock in calmness. This routine tells your skin the one thing stress won't. Relax, I've got you. The minimalist routine. Sometimes sensitive skin just wants a break. If your face feels like it's rejecting every product, it's time to strip it back. Use a non-foaming cleanser, then apply an all-in-one serum that hydrates and calms in one step. Finish with a moisturizer that includes SPF. 3 products, that's it. No fancy extras, no overload. This is skincare on strike. And it's often exactly what sensitive skin needs to reset. The nighttime skin repair routine. Nighttime is when your skin works hardest to heal. Help it along with this soothing lineup. Begin with a creamy cleanser to gently remove the day. Follow with a hydrating toner that has 0 alcohol and 0 fragrance. Then layer on a peptide or ceramide serum to rebuild strength. Finally, finish with a sleep mask or rich cream that cocoons your skin overnight. Think of this as skincare pajamas, cozy, protective, and healing while you sleep. So, which one of these routines feels like it was made for you? The morning after routine, weatherproofing, stress reset, minimalist break, or nighttime repair? The truth is, sensitive skin isn't weak. It's just honest. When you give it what it actually needs, it rewards you with calmness and glow that no filter can fake. Now it's your turn to drop a comment and tell me which routine matches your life right now. And if this video saved you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Your skin deserves better than boring advice. And here, you'll always get the good stuff.